Hello traders and investors, Anton Zharkov here. Today I'm gonna show you how to analyze the current S&P 500 market using the Eyestock service. This tool provides detailed analytical data and help you make informed investment decisions. Eyestock is a powerful tool for analyzing financial markets, and today I'm gonna show you how a retail investor can analyze the S&P 500, providing up-to-date data and some forecasts. First, we need to register on the website. Go to homepage eyestock.io, click Register, fill in all the required fields and confirm your email. Then, log in using your username and password. After logging in, we go to Dashboard section. And we would create a new list called S&P 500. Here we can add stocks we need. But today we will not study any particular stock, but let's add the major stocks with the largest shares in the index. For this purpose, I've prepared a small Excel sheet for you in order to demonstrate the current S&P 500 composition. Let's have a look. At the moment, the index is very unbalanced. The bulk of the index comprises of several names, and it's important to understand that S&P 500 is a market cap weighted index. In simple words, it means that the higher the market capitalization of the company, the higher the weight of this company in index. And now let's have a look at our composition. Number one is Microsoft Corporation, 7%. Then Apple, Nvidia, Amazon, Meta Platforms, Google, Berkshire Hathaway, Broadcom, Tesla, and finally Eli Lilly. Let's add these companies to Eyestock platform. For your convenience, I've added all these companies in the list. Collectively, these companies represent about 37% of the S&P 500. In the watch list section, you'll find very interesting patterns showing the current market state. Companies like Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, Google, and Meta, they have a very good quantitative Eyestock rating, but they are either overvalued or greatly overvalued. Companies like Amazon, Broadcom, Tesla, and Eli Lilly have an average rating, and even among them, Avga and Eli Lilly are greatly overvalued. Ironically, but Berkshire Hathaway, according to our quantitative rating principles set by his teaching, currently has a low rating of 37. Sorry about that, Mr. Buffett, but we can see the tendency here that almost 8 names out of 10, they have either overvalued status or greatly overvalued status. Let's have a look, for example, at Microsoft. Right now, its share price $444 per share, and everything above red line represents overheated status. So, in other words, it's overvalued. Or let's take Eli Lilly. This particular case, we see that it's hugely overvalued. Let's try to assess the potential decline. In order to do this, we go to Screener section and let's apply some filters. First of all, we need to apply the US filter. Second, we need to apply market cap filter. We are interested only in mega cap companies. Then we need to rate the companies in descending order. and we need to leave only upside column in order to understand my idea. Let's have a look. We can see now the potential downside of the overvalued companies. For such strong names like Apple and Microsoft, it's quite moderate, I should say, between 17 and 23%. But let's have a look at Eli Lilly, for instance. The downside is huge, minus 69.5%, and Avgo also minus 46.8%. In these two particular names, the correction could be very huge, and in strong quality and high quality companies, the correction could be 5 and 20%. Thus, we conclude that the largest US stocks are currently overheated. There is no bubble, as most of them are quality businesses making revenues, making net profits, but they are overvalued. The S&P 500 could very likely start a significant correction. So here are some tips to help you use Eyestock most effectively. Tip number 1. Regularly check data updates and forecasts. Tip number 2. Compare current metrics with historical data. Tip number 3. Use multiple sources of information to confirm your investment decisions. Alright, I hope this video was helpful for you, and now you know how to use Eyestock to analyze the S&P 500 market. Subscribe to our channel, like the video and leave your comments below. See you next time.